This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, good evening. So everyone able to see my screen? Can you confirm anyone?
Good evening, sir. Yes, we can.
Yeah, fine.
I'm just small doubt I got.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, when we are doing like day before yesterday we talk about project now. So
Hmm.
I'm trying like hands-on on it. So we have
Good.
to only install the 8 Java 8 version, or we can install directly
Any
Java also.
any version, any version.
Okay, I
Not
tried
only
in like Amazon Linux. It's not working.
it will work. It will work. Java need to be installed. All TCP should be enabled. I told in the class. All TCP should be enabled. What is all TCP?
Ultra like ports should be enabled.
Security group, right? All TCP,
Category.
all
Yeah,
ports should be
fine.
open. So at least 8080 should be open. Then only, yeah, you can able to open the page. Tomcat access. Tomcat will be accessible. Okay, at least 8080 you need to enable. You can try that.
So
Alt
that,
SCP.
that that we can that we have to do in this when we are configuring this like instance only we have to do that, no?
Yeah, if you have any existing security group, you can attach. Or else once create the server also, you can modify the security group.
Okay.
You understand, right?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, fine. You can try that. If you're able, yeah. Still, if you are facing any issues, yeah, you can share the screenshot in the group so that we'll check. Okay. Yeah. Any questions, anyone? So far, any questions, anyone?
Hi Ram.
Yeah. Hi, Venkat. Tell me.
I actually had also the same issue, like about all TCP. We should have to create any other new security group, or how we can able to see that all TCP are.
Yeah, so no need to create new security group. While yeah, even though once you create the instance, you can modify the security group. You can modify the security.
Okay.
Yeah, Sai
Ram, can
Prasad,
you don't
you
mind? Yeah,
tell me, Sai Prasad.
yeah. If you don't mind, can you show that all RTCP how to configure once?
Server is ready.
Yeah, server is ready.
Yeah, can you share your screen?
Sure. Yeah, is my screen is up?
Yes, yes. Can you try to access? What will happen? We'll check it out. So service started.
Yeah, this
Tomcat
is the
service started.
no, no,
You
no.
just started server, right?
Yeah, I started server and I installed the Java package 8 version.
Mhm. And service restarted.
No, not started.
You can connect and you can start the service.
I'm installing packages.
You can share entire screen. Just you share only one page, right? You can share entire screen. Entire screen tab is there, right? Entire screen tab is there. I can take back the control once and I give you again. You can share entire screen so that we'll see entire screen. So
Sure,
currently
sure.
only,
Just just give me
yeah,
back once again. I will try that.
yeah.
Yeah, now you can see my entire screen.
Just a minute, just a minute. Now you can share. Yes, now you can share. I gave you control.
Yeah, yeah. Is it visible now?
No, no.
Okay, just 1 minute. Again, I got a request. Hmm.
Yes, yes. Now you are able to see.
Hmm. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Click on
Is
hide.
is it visible now?
Yes, yes. Click on hide. Stop sharing. Hide is there, right? Click on hide.
Yeah.
Yes. Directly can install Tomcat. Directly can download. And so you told you're unable to access, right, server, the
Yeah.
page. But
Yeah. I am
again,
unable to. Actually, what happening? I am going to the Tomcat. It is not like we are unable to do this. It's coming like this. This I done in Amazon Linux. These all files are getting.
you downloaded Tomcat.
Yeah, I downloaded Tomcat. I done here. This.
Okay. So go to Tomcat folder.
Yeah, these are actually this is a inactive because this is a Amazon Linux I done. I terminated that server.
Nothing to
So
worry. Any flavor, not only Ubuntu, you can use any flavor, even RHEL, CentOS also. Nothing to worry. So
okay.
yeah, can you clear your screen? Just type clear. Something going right here.
Yeah.
Right. Can you download? Yes. You can unzip. Why it is telling like this? What is the reason?
We did not install.
You need to install unzip. There is a command, right? Apt install unzip. You can execute that.
Install.
No, no, no. They are showing command, right? They are
Yeah,
showing
this is
command.
one. Apt install.
That is the command. Yes. You can execute that.
So I give the
Enter.
folder name. I need to give a folder name.
No, 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 no. First you install unzip. First you install unzip. After that you can unzip the folder.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Enter. Yeah. First you need to shut down.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Permissions denied.
You are in root, right?
Yeah, I am en route.
Okay. Just type dot slash shutdown dot slash sh. You can type and use tab.
Yeah, not
Tab.
coming anything.
The permissions give 777 for now time being. Sudo chmod 77 star.
It seems execution permission not given, I think so.
77 star. Space. I mean 77 space star. Yeah,
Shall I click enter?
yeah, enter. Yeah, now run. Yeah, now start.
Right.
Yeah, it's
Can you
started.
try to access now?
Yeah, just let me.
Java installed already?
Yeah, Java installed.
Go back to server, click on server, open the, go back to AWS console. Go back to AWS console. Yeah. Scroll. Yeah. So here, this pull up, the down, the configuration is there. Pull up. Yeah. So here, uh, why it is showing like this? Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up completely. Not scroll down. Scroll up, scroll up. Reverse. Yeah. Click on security. Click on security. Click on security groups. Yeah. Click on that. Edit inbound rules. So here only SSH open, right? SSH enabled. Here what you will do?
On TCP.
No, 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 no. So click on add rule. Click on add rule here. Click on add rule. Yeah. Select all TCP. Yes. 0 to 65535. So here you can select. Click on custom. Click on custom. Anywhere IP version 4. Save rules. Now you can try. The page is opening or not. Can you refresh?
Yeah, it's opening.
Yeah. Everyone follow the videos. Okay. So I explained in the security group session. So you are not, yeah, everyone not following the videos. Okay. So the people who are, yeah, getting these errors. So please go through the recordings, previous recordings. Okay.
Thank you, Ram. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Anyone having any other questions? Any issues? Venkat, you have any issue?
No, Ram, it is clear. I'll try with this.
Clear, right? Yeah. So make sure everyone
Yeah,
practice.
clear.
Okay. These concepts are very important concepts. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So in the last session, we discussed about EBS volumes and also snapshots, right? So yeah, while practicing, any challenges on EBS volume snapshots, you understand, right, concepts? What is EBS volume? What is snapshot? Yeah. So this is first storage, which is very important storage. This storage specially designed for EC2 instances. We can create and we can attach to the EC2 instances. Okay. Yeah. Second storage is S3. Today we'll discuss about S3. S3 is a simple storage service. Is object to storage. What is object to? What is object to anyone? Like folders, files,
Files, folders.
sheets, right? PDFs, JPEG files. So any file formats, binary files, image files, audio files, video files, whatever files, right? So those are all objects. So any objects we can store in S3. So it is a objective storage, global storage, and public cloud storage. We can access through internet, right? So we can compare to Google Drive. In Google Drive, we can upload any data, right? Any data, binary files, image files, audio files, video files, spreadsheets, Excel sheets. So we can upload any data in Google Drive, right? Same way in S3 also, we can upload any data, right? Yeah. Fine. So here, Amazon Simple Storage Service is a public cloud storage available in AWS. It is a object storage offering S3, Amazon S3 buckets. Also, S3 is a global service. It is used by several companies around the world. Okay. So features of S3. What are the features? Low cost. Compare with EBS volume, S3 is the low cost, right? Scalability. Scale. What is scaling, anyone? Scalability means scale, increase whenever needed. We can increase, right? Yeah, availability. S3 is guarantee uptime. S3 is guarantee uptime of 99.99% availability. S3 is guarantee uptime 99.999%. Right? So unknowingly they will not stop any storages, right? So since 2012, I switched to AWS platform, cloud platform. So I started working on AWS in 2012. I switched to AWS. So I started my career as a VMware Windows admin in Verizon Data Services in 2005. I switched to cloud, AWS and DevOps projects in 2012. So yeah, from 2012 to 2025, 2012 to 2025, I haven't seen any single minute downtime for S3. So in 2020, Jan 31st night, they down for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So prior to 2 months, they informed us. They informed to every customer. So if they want to down any servers or storages, so at least prior to 2 months, they inform to the respective customers. Okay, so they give very good availability, very good security. So because so customer applications, customer databases, critical data, so we store in S3 or any other storages, right? So if they stop storages unknowingly, if they stop any storages or servers, what will happen? Client business will be impacted. That is why, so if they have any downtime, they inform us prior to at least 2 months. So we have downtime this time to this time. We can plan accordingly, right? So we can plan accordingly by the time, right? Yeah. So it is a guarantee uptime of 99.999% availability. S3. Next one, security. So whatever the data we are storing on S3, which is very secured, right? So no one can hack, even though through internet if you access, right? Yeah, nothing to worry. So anyone can access through internet also. We don't need to worry about, right? So data is very secured. Whatever data we store on the S3 will be, yeah, AWS is providing high security, high availability. Flexibility. So we can access S3 buckets from, yeah, any region, any zone, even though from your mobile also you can access. So we can access from your home, office, even mobile also we can access. So yeah, flexibility. We can access the data flexible. So any network we can access, but with proper authentication only. Without authentication, so it will not be allowed. Okay, simple data transfer. Simple data transfer. Yeah, we can transfer the data very faster. So fastest data transfer and the lowest latency. So quickly we can transfer the data, no latency. Okay. Yeah, these are the important features of S3. Low cost, scalability, availability, security, flexibility, and simple data transfer. Right? Now let us go back to AWS console and we can create S3. Go to AWS console, aws.amazon.com. Yeah. Now navigation is click on services here, click on services, scroll down here, go down, completely go down, storage, click on storage, click on S3, click on S3. Yeah. So now this is the S3 dashboard. These are the buckets. These are the buckets. It's kind of folders. Okay. See here. This is a bucket. These are the different batches buckets. Okay. Click on this. No data is available. Yeah. Now I want to create one bucket. I want to create one bucket here. Okay. So now click on create bucket. I want to create a bucket. Create bucket. Yeah. See here. General purpose and directory, right? So here recommended for most use cases and access patterns. General purpose buckets are original S3 bucket types. They allow a mix of storage classes that redundantly store object across multiple availability zones. You understanding, right? Yeah. So here these are recommended for low latency use cases. These buckets are only the S3 Express one zone storage class, which provides faster accessing of data within a single availability zone. Okay, what does it mean? See here. So in general purpose, mix of storage classes. So different types of storage they're using. Not only, yeah. So storage types, so many types are available. Storage types, so many types are available. So which are storage types? EMC, Clarion. I explain this. What it is? EMC, Vmax, yeah. Third one, EMC, VNX. Fourth one, NetApp. Fifth one, Dell storage. Hitachi storage, right? So like this, different classes are there. Storage classes. Okay. NetApp is one of the popular storage, right? Most of the organizations they're using NetApp also. Yeah. So currently EMC Dell acquire EMC. Dell acquire EMC. Currently no Dell, no EMC. It is a Dell EMC. So for example, if you go and search here, EMC Vmax storages. See here, these are the Vmax storages. See here, EMC Vmax, VNX. This is VNX. This is a Vmax. VNX. These are Vmax. These are Vmax, latest one. It is showing VNX, right? So Vmax is the latest one, right? So here, mix of storages, not only VNX, not only Vmax, not only Dell, not only Hitachi, right? Yeah, mix of storages. When we select this, general purpose, so mix of storages. So here, yeah, these buckets are only S3 Express one zone storage, one zone storage class, low latency use cases. So in real time projects, always use this. This one also you can use. So directory you can use. So here we can select general purpose. Okay, mix of storages. Now storage name should be, the bucket name should be, we need to provide a unique name, because if you give, for example, if you give DevOps, for example, DevOps, the bucket name I give DevOps. Okay, so once I submit this, once I create this, what will happen? Once I click on create, it will check globally all the data centers. If the name is already available, it will not allow you to create the bucket. So because we need to provide the unique name only, it is a global service, global storage, right? So that is why it will check globally. If the name is already available, it will not allow you to create. So I'll show you that. Okay. So here ACLs we can enable later also. What is ACL? Anyone? ACL and ఏంటండి? Anyone having idea? What is ACL? Access Control List, right? This is a security layer. ACL we can enable later also. Yeah, so this block all public access. If you check this, public access will be blocked. Uncheck this. I acknowledge. So tag name we can give later also. So click on create bucket. So what it is saying? Bucket with the same name already exists. So once we give the name, once we create the bucket, so while creating bucket, it will verify all the data centers. So if the name is available or not. That is why we need to provide unique name. So now DevOps multi-cloud with DevOps 94. I'm giving like this. Okay. Scroll down here. ACLs we can enable later also. Now uncheck this. I acknowledge. Bucket versioning. No need to enable this. Version. Versioning means it will enable the version control. Different versions we can upload, right? Yeah. Tag name also we can give the same name. If you want to give, you can give the same name. Tag name. So the name should be small letters only here. Here it will not take cap. Yeah, if you give cap letters, it will not be allowed. Okay, give small letters only. Okay. So now click on create bucket. Click on create bucket. Yeah. Now the bucket is created. See here. Successfully created bucket. This is the bucket name. Here. Yeah. Once we create the bucket, click on this bucket. Now objects. Currently no objects are available here. Okay. So properties. Click on properties. Now if you want to modify the bucket versioning, click on edit and modify. Tag name also can modify. So encryption also can modify. Yeah, these are all you can, if you want to edit, and you can edit and modify this. Okay. Yeah. After that, permissions. If you want to enable the permissions, so public access. Yeah, if you want to disable or enable, you can modify here. So policies also, bucket policies. If you want to give any policies like how many objects you want to upload, 1,000 objects, 10,000 objects, like that, you can create the policies. Okay. Next one, metrics. So even you can give the metrics also. Total bucket size. So total number of objects, you can give the metrics, means rules, right? So management. What is management? So here you can create the life cycle rules. Life cycle rules. What is life cycle rule? So if you want to enable any rules, for example, whatever data you want to store on S3, that, so once the maximum size reaches, if you want to move the data to Glacier, which is cheaper storage, you can create the life cycle rules. Okay, in real-time projects, this life cycle rules automatically, yeah, initially. So when we configure, by the time we enable. Someone unmuted. Some background noise is coming here. Narayana, I think. Can you mute yourself, Narayana? Recording will be disturbed. Yeah. So lifecycle rules initially, so when we configure S3, by the time the rules normally updates, they enable the rules. Okay. Yeah. Access points also, like folder level access, right? Create access points here. Whatever access points you want to enable, you can enable here. Fine. Yeah. So now click on objects. Now I want to upload some data here. So I want to upload some objects here. Okay. So if you want to upload any files, directly click on upload and select the files and you can upload. So if you want to create a folder, you can create a folder. Instead of the folder, you can upload the data, right? Now click on upload. See here. So add files, add folders. You can directly add folders, add files. Okay. So click on add files. Just want to add one file. Scroll down here, click on upload. Now the file is uploaded. File is uploaded. Right? Yeah. File is uploaded. So now I want to access this file. I want to provide access to my team members, for example, or else outside world. So if you want to access, how can we access? Okay. So click on this file. See here. This is the URL, object URL. Just copy this and you can share with anyone. They can access from outside world. So normally I haven't enabled the permissions. So can you click on this URL if you're able to access or not? Can you click on the URL which I shared in the GoToMeeting chat? Can you try to access? Anyone?
Access denied coming.
Access denied, right? So yeah, because I haven't enabled any permissions here. Now go back here. So permissions should be enabled. How can we enable the permissions? Yeah, now click on permissions. So here you can see here bucket owner enforced. Click on this. Enable ACLs. ACLs should be enabled. Click on ACLs enabled. Now I acknowledge ACLs will be restored. Now save changes. After that, go back to objects. Click on this file. Object actions. Click on this. Make using public. Make public using ACLs. Click on this. Now click on make public. So can you try now, everyone, if you're able to access or not? Kubernetes file I uploaded, right? Kubernetes interview questions. If you're able to access or not, can you check it out?
Yes, we are able to access now.
Able to access it? Yeah. Fine. Yeah. So like this, you can upload the folders also. Directly you can upload the folders also. Click on, yeah. So click on upload. So click on add folder. Folders also you can upload. So go to folders. Whatever folders you want to upload, you can upload directly. So here, these are all files available in the folder. So click on upload. You can upload folders like this. Or else you can create a folder. Inside of the folder also you can upload files. Fine. Now the folder also uploaded here. See here, this is the folder, this is the file. So like this, whatever data you want to upload, you can upload to the S3. Okay. So clear, and any questions up to here, anyone? Yeah. Now just want to delete this file and folders. Permanent delete. Yeah. Now what I will do, go back to buckets, click on this bucket. Now go to properties. So now I want to host one static website. It is a small project. It is a small project. So how to host the static website on S3? So this is very important. In real-time projects, sometimes we'll get this type of requirements. So static website hosting. How can we host the static website? Okay. So click on properties, scroll down here, scroll down. Yeah, see here, S3 static website hosting is disabled. First, we need to enable this. So click on edit, enable. So here we need to give index.html. So click on save this. Now the static website hosting is enabled. Okay. Next, what we can do here. Yeah. So now I want to host static website here. How can we host? So I want to get one free template, website template. Okay. So for which, go to freecss.com is the website. Free-css.com is the website. Enter. Yeah. So free CSS templates. Click on this. So these are all free templates available. Free templates. So here, 7th page, click on this. Now there is a 10th page. In 10th page, there is a cake zone template, cake zone application. So click on this. See here. So this is the static website, cake zone website. So if you want to check this live demo, click on this. This is the cake zone website. See here. Chefs. Okay. So this website I want to host. This website I want to host on S3 bucket. How can we host? How can we host? Okay. Yeah. Now, first of all, we need to download this. First of all, we need to download this. Go back here. Yeah. This is a cake zone, right? Click on this. So this cake zone developed in HTML only. So we need to host HTML. Yeah. So the websites, whatever websites we have here, free templates. So that should be, that is developed in HTML only, right? So because we enable the HTML in the S3, so this HTML website only we can host in the S3. So first of all, we need to download this. How can we download? Click on this. Just directly click on this. This will be downloaded. Click on download. Yeah, now it is downloaded. See here, Cake Zone free website template. Okay, so now go to downloads. See here, this is the Cake Zone free website template. So now right click here. So this is zip format, zip file. Okay, right click here, extract all here, extract. Now it is extracted. See here, cake shop website. So just rename it for easy understanding here, Cake Zone. cake zone template, cake zone hyphen template. Okay, yeah, this you can cut here, go to desktop and paste here. Right now, what I will do, go back to S3. So now I want to upload this. I want to upload this cake zone template. Go to objects. So click on upload. Click on add folder. Sorry, click on add folder. Click here. Now go to desktop. See here, cake zone template. This you can upload. Select this. Upload. Upload. So now it is, see here, 126 files are available in this cake zone template. 126 files, 1.3 MB. Okay, so click on upload. Yeah, now upload succeeded. Fine, it is uploaded. Now next what we can do here, yeah, so here click on index.html file. Click on index.html. These are the files available, right? So click on this index.html. Now click on this. Yeah, we need to give permissions here, right? For this we need to give permissions. Click on permissions. Yeah, go to object actions, make public using ACL. Click on make public. Right now, go back here. Yeah, so I give you this URL. Can you try to access, everyone? Can you try to access this cake zone website? Is accessible or not? Can you try to access this? Can you try to access this? Anyone? If you are able to access or not?
Yeah, we are able to access the Tom.
Yeah, you are able to access, but it is showing only text, right? Not images.
Yeah, only text.
Only text it is showing, right? Yeah. Now, so I apply only, I apply permissions to only index.html. That is why it is showing only text, right? Now we need to apply permissions to entire folder, so that we'll get the images also here. Okay. Now go back here. Select entire folder. Go to actions. Scroll down here. Make public using ACLs. Make public. Now, yeah, see here. So all the folder, all the files, 126 files are available, right? So see here, we applied permissions. We enable access to all the files here, all the whatever files we applied here, entire folder. Now, can you try? Can you click on access? Can you click on the URL? If you're able to access or not? Can you try now? Everyone
Yes,
able to access? Accessible, right? Everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you confirm everyone if you're able to access or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, Ram, we are able to access.
Right. Fine. Now, so this is Cake Zone application, Cake Zone template website, right? Now, I want to change this name as DevOps Zone. So this name I want to remove, I want to modify, and I want to change to DevOps Zone. So this mobile number also, this number also, phone number also I want to change. This email address also I want to change. So this is free template, right? So free template we can edit. So backend the code, whatever the code available, in that we can modify this. So this is a HTML code, right? HTML front. This is a front end, right? So it is developed in HTML. If you have any knowledge on HTML, you can easily modify images also. All these images, this pricing, right? Everything can modify. So I have some basic knowledge on HTML. We are not developers, right? We are not developers. So I have some knowledge on HTML. So how to modify this? Okay, let's try to understand. In place of cake zone, I want to modify DevOps zone, and also email address I want to change here, and here phone number also I want to change. How can we change? Let's try to understand here. So that is not our activity, right? Developer activity. So we can try that one also, right? Yeah. Now, if you want to modify the code, so we need to open the Visual Studio Code. This is the tool, Visual Studio Code. This tool required. This is developer tool. So how to download, install Visual Studio Code? I'll show you now quickly. So after that, we can modify the HTML code. Now go back to browser, download Visual Studio Code. Search here. Click on download Visual Studio Code. Yeah, click on Windows 10 or 11 supported version. Click here. Now it is downloading. See here. Once it is downloaded, so you can double click on that file, setup file, go next. That's it. Yeah, see here. So this is a exe file, setup file, right? So click on this. It is showing something like Visual Studio Code is currently running. I already installed, right? So that is why, so it is not allowing to install again. So go to downloads. See here, this is the setup file. Double click on this. Go next. That's it. This will be installed. Once it is installed, yeah, you can open it. Open this here. Here, this is the Visual Studio Code. Once you open this, go to File, open folder. Click on folder. Go to Desktop. This is the Cake Zone template folder, right? Click on this. Select folder. See here. Now, this is the index.html. See here, index.html. So here we can modify the code. Here, right? So see here, cake zone. In place of cake zone, we can give DevOps zone. We can modify the code like this. DevOps zone. So email address also can modify. You understanding, right, everyone? Everyone understanding, right? So in place of cake zone, I want to give DevOps zone. So this code edit, so editing this code, so it is not our role, right? It is developer role. I just want to show you how to edit the code. So we need HTML knowledge here, right? Yeah, even phone number also you can modify. Mobile number you can change here. 96. Like this you can modify. click on save. Yeah, once you save this, again you can go back to S3 and you can upload it again. The same, yeah, if you want to delete this, you can delete, or else so directly can upload this. Update this, upload here, add folder. See here, what it is saying here, this will be uploaded all files from Cake Zone template only. Yeah, do this if you trust the site. Okay, upload. Click on upload. So everyone following, right? So clear and the subject clear. Whatever we are discussing here, whatever we are doing, the concept wise, you are understanding, right?
Right. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, now it is succeeded. Now go back here. So once again, you can go and refresh here. Same URL. Okay, we do one thing. So click on this Cake Zone template. Click on index.html. So first of all, we can check the permissions are available or not. So select this folder, go to actions, make public using ACLs, make public first. Yeah. So now click on this Cake Zone template, click on index.html. So now you can take this URL, copy this. Yeah, can you try to access everyone? I ping the URL here in the GoToMeeting chart. Can you try to access? Everyone able to access? So the Cake Zone website is accessible or not? Reflect అయిందండి DevOps Zone is reflected or not?
Yes, yes.
Sai Prasad, Narayana. Can you confirm everyone? The people who are accessing through laptop. So if you are connected using mobile, so also it will be accessible. You can try. Right. So this is the way normally we host the static websites. So static web, sometimes we'll get requirements in real-time projects. We get a request tickets, service now tickets. So as per the requirement, as per the customer requirement, we need to host the static websites. Okay. So this development part will be taken care by developers only. We don't need to change any code. Okay, we can just upload into S3 and we give the permissions. Right? Clear? And any questions here? Anyone? Anyone having any questions here? Yeah. So I give you one task. So you need to perform. Okay. So same way you can enable the static website hosting in S3, and you can take one template which is John Coffee. One template is there. You can take the template. So in seventh page, there is a John Coffee. This you can download and you can try. Not seventh page, I think. 9th Tuesday. Eighth page. See here, John Coffee. This template you can download into your laptop and you can upload to S3 bucket, and you can give permissions and you can try to access. So after that, in place of this John Coffee, you can modify any name. Okay, you can change the mobile number and you can change the email address also. You can try this. Okay, if you're able to access or not. Yeah, if you're unable to access, you can share the screenshot in the group so that I'll guide you. Okay, this is also developed in HTML only. See here, HTML. Okay, yeah, you can install Visual Studio Code. By using this Visual Studio Code, you can modify the code here. Clear, Andy? Yeah, so make sure everyone practice this and you can share the screenshot if you're facing any issues. Okay, so tomorrow we will not have a session. So because we have office meeting in Ramosu Film City, office event in Ramosu Film City tomorrow. Yeah, so tomorrow we need to attend that. So by 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. night. Okay, that is why. So this, yeah, tomorrow we don't have any session. We'll not have any session. So next weekend I will cover the whatever sessions we are yeah, canceling. Those I'll cover next weekend. This weekend I have Saturday, Sunday, Ansible workshop is there with other batches. 92 batch, 93 batch. They're having Ansible workshop. So mostly next weekend we can have a session. Okay. So we'll cover 1.5 hour, 2 hours. So because within 3 months we need to complete the course, right? Sometimes I'll take weekends also. Fine. Yeah, tomorrow we'll not have any session. So next session would be on Monday. Okay. So meantime, you can practice this S3 and up to here, whatever concepts we covered, you can practice this. So whatever sessions we are canceling, Monday also, yeah, we cancel the session, right? So tomorrow also we'll not have any session. So this, yeah, cancel sessions I'll take next weekend, Saturday. Fine. Yeah, so make sure everyone practice. If anyone need any certification support, let me know.